Pinch me. It feels so unreal. They are packing Sean's school party pack. Let's play small. It's all about my son. He's turning 3 years. So join me while we pack party packs for his birthday. Guys, wish me luck. It's so hectic. What number is that?
3.
Number what?
3.
Good job. About to pack the party. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside. A whole lot. We're still packing. Let's go. Children. Play small. Let's play game. Let's play game. Baya. Okay, let's go. Birthday boy. Birthday boy came to obstruct me.
No water.
No, I don't want you to have that one. No, Sean. Yes, good night. Say bye, mommy.
Mommy.
Blow me a kiss.
Mommy.
Sean, did you say you're doing what? You're helping me.
Yes.
To do what? To don't have it anywhere. I'm done with those ones, Sean. Please now. Baby, could I help me beg this boy not to help me? Which sorry? But leave them now. Say hello to them. Faye, do like this. Boy.
Mommy.
Okay. Lashon, yes. Lashon, JJ, and Davina. Yes. Who? Nanina and Alvin. Alvin is a boy. Yes.
Mommy.
Okay. We'll put it in Davina's bag. No. That too. We are going to give them these two. Nanina and no, that one is for Rashon and someone else. Your friend in class, Mia. You know Mia? What are the name of your friends in class? Can you tell me the name of your friends? Alvin, JJ. Okay? Okay? No, there are more here. Right? Emma. What? Okay. We are done. We are done.